What is Itikaaf? Can I do Itikaaf at home? Must I commit to the full 10 nights if I plan on Itikaaf? Itikaaf is the staying in the Masjid for the purpose of worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Also, from the benefits of doing Itikaaf is that you are able to seek out the night of Laylatul Qadr. It is not permissible for anybody to do Itikaaf, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, وَأَنْتُمْ آكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ, that you are staying in Itikaaf in the mosques. If you have the intention to do Itikaaf for the full 10 nights, then you should stay for the full 10 nights, as is the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, that he would stay for the last 10 nights of Ramadan in Itikaaf. If, however, you want to stay for a day or 2 days, or even an hour, it is permissible for you to do so. As Umar radiallahu anh, he said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I vowed in the time of Jahiliyyah to make Itikaaf in the mosque for a day. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, then fulfill your vow, which again shows that it is permissible to make Itikaaf even for a day